You are watching Kids Corner.
A watchful guardian, the mother oversees her offspring's playful exploration. One by one, the ducklings veer off their safe path, drawn by curiosity's irresistible lure. As dusk descends, the mother's anxious quacks echo through the silent pond. Determined siblings set out to unravel the mystery of their missing family members. With each quack, the mother orchestrates a plan to gather her scattered brood. In the shadows, a silent threat approaches, hunger glinting in its predatory gaze. Danger looms closer as the family's resolve is tested in the face of imminent peril. With hearts pounding, the family bands together, courage and desperation lighting their path. Through sheer determination, the family outwits the predator, emerging victorious in the moonlit confrontation. Mother leads her precious charges back to the warmth and security of their home, the family whole once more.